Now, being a plumber myself, I have a number of tricks up my sleeve for unblocking drains. I do, however, have a simple and very inexpensive tool I'll go to first. It's quick, simple, inexpensive, and clears household blockages 90% of the time. It's a tool every household should have. If at the end of this video you decide you also must have one, I will leave a link in the description. Now, as you can see, this came from Amazon for just £16. If you are a Prime customer, it's available for next-day delivery. So how does it work? Essentially, it's like a gun. It fires a powerful shot of compressed air in order to dislodge the blockage. It comes with a number of different attachments for different situations, but the one you'll use 80% of the time is the one already attached. My wash basin has been draining slower and slower for the past few days, probably because of something my boys have been putting down there. Today, though, it's not budging. So I'm going to show you my favorite drain unblocking tool in action. First, ensure you have the correct attachment in place. Pump some air into the device. Hold it firmly over the drain. Cover the overflow. It will be less effective otherwise. Fire! It's as simple as that. A great tool every household needs to have. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.